first and foremost, I just would like you to give us a bit of color, really, how important the conversations in Nice are for companies like yours and investments decisions that you're making.
Yes, as you say, there's a hi Silvia and hi everyone. So as you say, there's quite a bit at stake at this conference. First, we would like to see real progress towards signing the High Seas Treaty, which will protect actually 70% of the ocean, which is about 50% of the planet. So that's a big deal. Second, we want to see serious increase in financial commitments towards investing in both ocean health and the ocean opportunity. And so there's been a call for that, and we'll see what numbers come out from it. And we're expecting commitments from both the philanthropy side and financial investors, and we're doing our part as a financial investor.
Now, the US is not part of these conversations. If we also think about overall ESG trends, there seems to be less interest, really, in that kind of investment for the time being. So I'm wondering how that is impacting fundraising from your point of view.
So, I mean, it would be natural to expect an impact, and it's indeed not a very good fundraising environment in general, and I'd say mainly because of the uncertainty this is all creating. But we've been actually seeing a lot of interest for strategy, and we've been able to achieve a first close for our second vintage fund, SWEN Blue Ocean 2, at 160 million euros. Our target is 300 million euros, and so we've actually achieved the first close at more than half of the target, which is a good result. And I think the main reason for that are first, we have already delivered very good results and from the first fund. So this is helping, including realized returns and distribution of capital to our investors that put us among the best performing venture capital funds in the world. And second, while the US may not be taking leadership in the space, we see actually regions like in Europe or Asia seeing this as an opportunity to take leadership and size the ocean impact and market opportunity and double down in the space. And that's where we see traction in investing in strategies like SWEN Blue Ocean 2.
So I would like us to discuss in more detail how the investments, where the investments are going. You are saying that, ocean-related investments are an attractive opportunity, but how? How are you deploying the money?
So first, our strategy is structured around, solutions for the regeneration of ocean biodiversity. This is our objective, and we do it through investing in innovations. And we aim to achieve both systemic impact and competitive market returns. So we're not compromising on either, impact or return. Actually, we invest in solutions that perfectly align both. And so we invest in solutions to the three main threats that the ocean is facing. First, solutions to overfishing. Second, solutions to the pollution of the ocean. And third, solutions to climate change that are based on the ocean. And why this is this incredible impact and investment opportunity and return opportunity is because to achieve those goals, you actually need to invest in industries that have two characteristics. The first one, they have an outsized impact on the ocean. Let's say, for example, the plastics industry or the seafood industry, which contributes to overfishing, obviously. And second, those industries need to be very large and being transformed by innovation. So let's say, take another example. You have the maritime industry, maritime transportation. It transports 80% of the goods on the planet, so that's pretty large. And the International Maritime Organization has committed to decarbonize the entire industry by 2050. And because the lifetime of ships is 30 years, that means the entire shipping fleet needs to be transformed in the next 5 to 10 years, and it will be transformed by innovation only. And what we do is invest in those innovations that will help the maritime industry achieve its goals, but also save on fuels and improve its efficiency.
Right. Christian, we appreciate the fact that you joined us today and provide us with more insight into how this kind of investing is working. And of course, best of luck in your efforts. Christian Lim, Managing Partner at SWEN Capital Partners.